Hello guys, welcome to TechCheck tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off age restriction and YouTube mobile. If you want to know how it's done, in this video is for you. In order to properly do this, we need to head over right here to our YouTube. And then from in here, what we can do next is we can head over right here to our button on the U page. There are 5 buttons right here, but we need to click on this U page right here, which is actually our profile page. Now from in here, you can see this gear icon. So click on this gear icon right here. Click on this general right here. Once you have clicked on that, scroll all the way down to the bottom until you can see this restricted mode. So as you can see, restricted mode helps hide potentially mature videos that is actually inappropriate for children, and this is actually an age restriction. So if you want to turn it off, click on this right here. As you can see, restricted mode has been turned off and the age restriction has been turned off as well. And that way, it's been okay for you to watch any videos on YouTube. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!